Google is one of the most widely used search engines in the world. Every day, millions of people use Google to search for information on a variety of topics. But how does Google work? In this blog, we will delve into the workings of Google and understand how it provides accurate and relevant search results to its users. Google's search engine operates on a complex algorithm that uses several factors to determine the relevance and accuracy of a web page in response to a search query. The algorithm uses various signals to rank web pages, including keywords, page quality, and user experience. The algorithm also takes into account the relevance of the page to the search query, the location of the user, and the user's search history. The first step in the Google search process is crawling. Google uses automated software called crawlers or spiders to scan web pages on the Internet. These crawlers follow links from one web page to another, collecting information about each page they visit. Google then stores this information in its index, a vast database of web pages and their content. The next step is indexing. Google's indexing system analyzes the content of web pages and categorizes them based on their relevance and quality. This process involves extracting relevant information from a web page, such as keywords and phrases, and storing it in the index. Google's indexing system also takes into account the quality of the web page, including factors such as page load speed, mobile friendliness, and security. When a user enters a search query, Google's search algorithm analyzes the index to determine the most relevant results. The algorithm considers several factors, including the relevance and quality of the web page, the user's location and search history, and the type of search query. The algorithm then ranks the results based on their relevance and presents them to the user in the search results page. Google's search algorithm is constantly evolving to provide better search results to its users. The company uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to analyze user behavior and improve its search algorithm. For example, Google's RankBrain algorithm uses machine learning to understand the meaning behind search queries and provide more accurate and relevant results. Google also uses human evaluators to evaluate the quality of search results. These evaluators provide feedback on the relevance and accuracy of search results, which helps Google improve its search algorithm. In addition to its search engine, Google offers several other services that use its search technology. Google Maps, for example, uses Google's search algorithm to provide directions and information about local businesses. Google Assistant, the company's virtual assistant, also uses Google's search technology to answer user questions and provide information. In conclusion, Google's search engine uses a complex algorithm to provide accurate and relevant search results to its users. The algorithm considers several factors, including keywords, page quality, and user experience, to determine the relevance and accuracy of a web page in response to a search query. Google's search algorithm is constantly evolving to provide better search results, and the company uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to improve its algorithm. Overall, Google's search technology has revolutionized the way we search for information and has become an integral part of our daily lives.